Hi everybody, hope you to be awesome. In the last class, we have discussed some of the questions. Answer to the last class quizzes. First, ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଥିଲି forest fire ର height କେତେ ଥିଲେ ତାକୁ classify କରାଯାଏ as forest fire. So it is a continuous fire which should be up to 1.8 meter minimum. ତାହେଲେ ତାକୁ forest fire ପରିକା classify କରାଯାଏ. Then next question was Lassa. This disease जोटा कि अफ्रीका रू स्टार्ट होइछि and recently casualties were seen even in Europe. So question was Lassa is a zoonotic disease which spreads from which animal? The answer is rat. Third, koala. Recently Australia decided to declare koala as endangered ताकि ताको increased protection मिल पारिबो. Whereas IUCN status अनुसारे koala is a vulnerable species. So my question was कि koala thrives in which kind of forest? The answer is eucalyptus. Next question होची Blue Revolution. Blue Revolution, is it a central sector scheme or central sponsored scheme? So the answer was central sponsored scheme. यानी कि the funding is shared between the center and the state. Fifth question about SWIFT ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଥିଲି that recently गोटे country को SWIFT रू बाहर କରିଦେବାର कथबार्ता चलछि and where is the headquarter of SWIFT? So SWIFT, as you know, international transactions, for that this is a telecommunication network, yani ki it keeps the messages. Okay, it is not for storing money or any other financial instrument. It is a telecommunication unit. Okay, so messages etire store हुए basically. Now Russia को काढ़ीबार कथबार्ता चलतिला and Belgium is the headquarters. So congratulations to all who have done it correctly. So today's current affairs आज 10टा क्वेश्चन होची. फर्स्ट एक्रोमेगाली या जाइगेंटिज्म जोटी ह्यूमन बोन्स बड़ हो जाए. दिस डिजीज इज एसोसिएटेड विथ द ओवर सिक्रेशन ऑफ व्हाट? ओके, ऑप्शन ए जमती कि हार्मोन्स फ्रॉम द पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, या इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सेस विटामिन, और इज इट बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सेस प्रोटीन या एक्सेस कैल्शियम. ओके, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, you know bullet train ro concept chalchi. The first bullet train was started in Japan, and right now India has decided that till the year 2026 Mumbai Ahmedabad bullet train will start. So where is the first bullet train station to be established? Okay, so where is it, you have to tell me. Third question hochi that you know that the largest carnivore in India, endangered species रे tiger, and after tiger there is another species in India, one of the largest carnivore, that is dhole. What is the IUCN status of dhole? You have to mention. My fourth question is you must have heard about graphene. Okay, so graphene is a very versatile material, काफ़ी थिन, it has stability, it has a very good electrical conductivity, and recently in the electronic devices जमते कि smartphone रो screen or your LEDs, if graphene is able to replace other things like indium, so cost काफ़ी हद तक कमी जिवो. Okay, so my question to you is the first graphene innovation plant of India will be established in which state? Some other additional information I'll just give you. This graphene innovation plant will be constructed in that state with the help of the state government, Tata Steel Limited and CMET. So you have to tell me कि ये जिनसा टा कोठी हबा को जाओ. My next question is your you must have heard about the Solomon Islands. So Solomon Islands, recently got a news as कि USA is trying to increase its base in Solomon Islands before China does it. So my question is, Solomon Islands is present in which ocean? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean? Where is it located? That you have to give in the comments. Next question is, there was a 21st century Bhakti saint So I will give you the information about this saint. You have to give me this answer key. I am talking about which saint. And today is the Jayanti. Okay. He is a 21st century Bhakti saint. He was the spiritual guide of Mirabai. He was based out of Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, and in his life he tried to speak against caste discrimination and Brahminical authority. Okay, and apart from that, Guru Granth Sahib, jota Sikh mankar काफ़ी important text, he has compiled 40 poems in Guru Granth Sahib. So you have to tell me who is this Bhakti saint. Okay. Next question. Can you tell me police and public order is given in which list under the 7th schedule of the constitution? State list, concurrent list, union list या फिर residuary list. Okay. My next question is, right now you know the tribal population of India, they constitute लगभग 7.5 to 8% of the Indian population. And recently Telangana has declared this festival which is conducted by the tribals, and in the entire India you know that Kumbh Mela is the largest religious festival. After Kumbh Mela, this is the second largest tribal festival in the world. So you have to tell me which is this festival. Okay. And additional information भी मुझे अभी किसी दे दूँ. Telangana declares this festival as a state festival since 1996. And Telangana रे गोटे tribe रुहंती Koya tribe. They are observing this tribe. And this festival is celebrated once in every 2 years. Okay, 2 ବର୍ଷରେ ଥରେ observe करा जाता है. Correct? So you have to tell me what is the name of the festival. Very, very important. The last question of the day, 10th question होची. So you must have heard recently that IAS officer का shortage depict करा जाए छी. So basically it is there is some rules in the procedure. Okay, of there is a rule of 1954 in the central services which says that every state has to allocate the IAS officers for central deputation. So recently the center has said कि IAS officer का shortage रहुची. Okay, so right now you have to tell me that on account of which event the number of IAS officers was reduced in the country in the year 1991. Okay, so after 1991 the number of IAS officers was actually reduced. फिर 20 years later it was again increased. So because of which event it was done. And आगोटे जिनसे होची additional information that right now India has shortage of IAS officers of 23%. Okay. So, and my last question, 11th question, one bonus question is there for you today. So you have to tell me who is the chairman of the Interstate Council. Okay. So you have to mention all these answers in the comment section. Tomorrow I'll discuss the answers with you, and along with that I'll bring new current affairs question also. So thank you so much. And guys, I'm a Plus Educator on Academy. I have made all the GS courses. So if you want to access the courses, you can take the Plus subscription. You can also join me in the free classes. Yagya10 is my referral code, okay, which will give you additional 20% discount today, 16th of February. So thank you so much. God bless you. Good night.